In this video, we're going to take a look at two ways to scan QR code on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top here. And in this quick settings, if you swipe down to open up the full menu, you can see there is a scan QR code icon. Tap on that, and then you can use the camera to quickly scan for a QR code. So that is one of the way. The other way is to launch your camera app and then tap on photo and then point to camera as a QR code, and down here it will show a link where you can tap on it to either open up a web page link or open up an app. Depending on your QR code, it will do what the QR code is instructed. Now, another thing is that if you use the camera and you cannot scan QR code, you may need to go into controls and tap on settings. Make sure the QR code scan option is turned on. So tap on the toggle to switch it on, and then you will be able to use the camera to scan the QR code. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.